Hey, what's up guys? So our topic for today is how we can prevent ransomware. So let's get started. First, you go to your Windows security and then virus and threat protection settings must turn on. Click yes. Also manage ransomware protection. Click it. And you must turn this on. Click yes. And also make sure you already scan your computer. You can choose quick scan, full scan. So I prefer a full scan if you're aware, or must full scan, Also always back up your files. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Keep safe guys.